Hey everybody, welcome back to Hey Papa J. I'm Papa J and I'm so glad you're here. Today we are at the iconic Louisville Slugger Museum and where they make the bats. We are gonna go in, have a good time, see what this is all about, but check this out. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that we're here. Come with us, we're gonna have a blast. We are at the Louisville Slugger Museum and Factory. We are gonna go for a tour. We're gonna learn all about this place. Come with us, let's go check it out. And this right here, you can hold a piece of history. Okay, she is holding a bat of Hank Aaron's right there. How heavy do you think it is? I don't know either.
I have no idea.
I don't either, but you can come in and hold some of these iconic bats. So 34.5 ounces, thank you. Okay, so there's Babe Ruth right there. All right, so there's Braxton holding Hank Aaron. Okay, so this one's Babe Ruth's. So you get to come and hold Babe Ruth's bat, Hank Aaron's bat. I mean, there's some really cool bats here. You can do a Ken Griffey Jr., Willie Mays. I mean, you name it, they are there. That is awesome.
You wouldn't think it's that much difference, but it is.
It's 8 ounces heavier than Hank Aaron's.
And an inch longer.
And an inch longer. Okay, so you can come and take your picture here with Jackie Robinson right there. You got Hank Aaron right here. So here you got Babe Ruth. There's some really cool memorabilia here. This right here is it might be the oldest Jackie Robinson gamer in existence. It dates to his time in the Negro Leagues. Robinson sent it to H&B to create more just like it. His bat was H&B's most popular retail model for more than 40 years. This is so cool. Here is the M&M Boys, Roger Maris and Mickey Mantle. So this is one of the Mick. He used this bat around 1961 to 64, Triple Crown winner, 3-time American League MVP, 20-time All-Star. So that was Mickey Mantle's bat and Roger Maris. Alright, so this here is the Babes. Not your average bat. Here's one of the greatest treasures in baseball history. With this bat, Ruth hit the first 21 home runs of his record, setting 60 homers during the 1927 season. What makes this particular Louisville Slugger extra special, for each home run, the great Bambino carved a notch around the center brand. When the bat broke, Ruth sent it back to H&B with the note, "I am doing pretty well with this, make me more." So, yep, you can see all the notches.
He carved a notch on each home run. Oh.
So you can see the notches that he carved with every home run. So that's where it broke right there. So this is Hank Aaron. He's shown swinging this very bat to hit his 700th home run on July 23rd, 1973. During his pursuit of the new home run record, Aaron received death threats like this. "Dear Hank, you are a very good ball player, but if you come close to Babe Ruth's 714 homers, I have a contract out on you. Over 700, and you can consider yourself punctured with a 22 shell." Interesting. And so this is kind of fun to see how it starts out here. We're gonna obviously, hopefully, learn more about it. Then they bring it over here and put it on the lathe here. Here is Johnny Bench with his final home run bat and the one that he used in the All-Star game, both right here in the same case. And then this over here is kind of cool. You can stand behind to see what it would feel like to have Feel the Heat. Check this out. So then we were able to go on the tour, kind of through the factory, and it showed you step by step how they actually make these bats. Now this is a CNC machine. Once the machine gets going, you can see it just does not take very long at all for this thing to really go through and make an amazing bat. And they can dial this machine in for every kind of specific, for any kind of athlete, whatever that they want, the length, the weight, all of that stuff they calculate, and then this machine will just kind of do it. Okay, so this is the bat vault. So all this is the different models of all the different players, like the different bats that they had made for them, which is the different size, weights, the different specifications that each of them wanted for their own individual bats. Now these are models of how to tell the machine what to make. They don't do it like this anymore. Now it's all done by computer, and the new machines can just actually, they input the model, the make, whatever, and it'll make it for them. But these were the models that they used back in the day. Okay, this is really cool. It shows kind of how it goes from the forest. They split it, then they square it, round it, then they do the turning and the finish. Okay, you guys, so there you have it. That was a really fun tour. One cool thing is they always give you a little mini bat. There it is right there. You get a little mini bat at the end of the tour. And so that's actually a really fun place to come. We really enjoyed our visit here, and would recommend for you guys coming too. If you did like this, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.